Look what we have here! First Dolls Kill haul of 2021, and what better to do it than in my bed, in comfy clothes, and a bag full of mysterious items. Time to open the mystery bag. Whoa! Okay, little snip snip. We got a box! What's that? What's that? Poster girl! It's my favorite. Poster girl, I love you. First item. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. First impressions, I'm in love. Look at this blazer! Passion First plaid blazer. Cropped, pink. Amazing first item. Uh-oh, what is this? Tank top to go under my blazer. Oh yes, sister, let's go, let's go. Do you guys like when I sing, or is it like my ears are hurting? Maybe a little bit of both. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yes. Adjustable straps, zipper in the back, Passion First plaid tank top. So cute. I love the little underlined boobies. Look how cute. This is gonna be so freaking cute. I can see it now. Alright, next item. Cute color. Let's see what it is. Tie up top. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. First of all, so soft. The Sage Wild One front tie crop top. I love tie fronts. You can make it as short as you want. Also, it's really cute. It has the little ribbed feature. So freaking cute.
I need that heat that I won't forget. Come on, make me sweat. Jalapeno, jalapeno. I like it hot, but we ain't there yet. Come on, let me get jalapeno, jalapeno.
What do we have next? A Club-X. Oh my bad bit. Are you kidding me? Black and light blue lining. This is the Future Solstice long sleeve romper. It has a zip up in the front. I love the circle zip. Love the collar. Can't wait to try it on.
Do you still care about me now?
Wow. Amazing items so far. Let's keep it rolling. when I get a new package, I feel like myself again. I am a Dolls Kill doll. Dress me up, daddy. Alright, what's next? What could it be? Another Club X moment. Let's see what she's got for us. Let's see. You guys! This is the dark Rave Bunny velvet cutout dress. So we have this dress with this cutout in the front and this matching velvet bralette like this. Ah, look at that! Guys, velvet, black, cutout. A lot of my favorite things.
I'm waiting here, I'm standing still, stepping the light.
Okay, I'll be a Rave Bunny. What's next in the bag? Poster girl? Look at this freaking top, dude. This is the Stunner Season corset tank. It's ribbed at the top, see-through, and then it has this cute buckle in the front. I can't wait to rock it!
Took a shot with you, but I'm not bulletproof. No, I'm not bulletproof. No, no, no. You know I'm human too. No, I'm not bulletproof. No, I'm not bulletproof. No, no, no. I know you. I know you.
What do we have next in our beautiful mystery bag? I feel something exciting. I feel something very exciting. Oh, that's sick. Look at that font. Ooh, it's horoscope, baby. Ooh. Oh, fuck yeah. This is the Unparalleled Legends fishnet bodysuit. I've seen this shirt so many times, and every time I see it, it looks so adorable. So I had to try it on myself. Let's see how Jada Rose looks in it, baby. This is our last item in the bag. Guys, this is the Never Fake It lingerie set. Let's look at this together. I saw it online and I said, if I don't get that, it's gonna be a disservice to the world. First of all, black. Second of all, sparkly. Third of all, dolls kill. Enough shit. This is the top. But it's net, so it stretches out. Don't worry, Mom. What's next? Maybe this way? Here are the bottoms. These are the fishnets, I believe. Look at the sparkle, you guys. I am beyond myself. These are the gloves. You just need to see it on. Let's just see it on.
What I'm craving, hit me like a tornado. Gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me
don't think I forgot about this beautiful baby. What do you think it is? A pony? A bike? I probably used that joke before, but my dad used it every Christmas, so I think that I can use it when I want. I can use it every unboxing. Thanks, Dad. Alright, poster girl. What do you got for us? We love to see the roses. Thank you very much. Boots. Boots. You guys know how I love them. I'm getting a little horny. First layer. Second layer. Holy shit! Yes, please. And thank you. Look at these main character platform boots. We have the zipper from the toe to mid boot, and then from mid boot to the top we have a lace. Look how sick. Love the big square heel. Love the big square toe. I'm absolutely obsessed. Yes, ma'am. Let's go be the main character.
But please don't make me play the fool.
Dolls Kill is helping us start this year off looking amazing, feeling confident, sexy, and gorgeous. Make sure you follow them on their social medias. Also, follow me. My Instagram is currently down at the moment, so I will be using my other account. All of it will be in the descriptions below. I also wanted to give a huge shout out to James for supporting me on my Patreon. You guys really make this happen. All of you, thank you so much for supporting me. It means so much. Have an amazing day, and make sure you stay dirty, my little devils. I'll see you guys next time. And go run the world, my little rave bunnies.